Hi, my name is Miila. Let's dive into what's new in this release. This version is compatible with earlier releases and can be installed on top of existing Flow Manager instances. Note that Flow Manager requires a database to store the Flow repository. If you are using MongoDB, check that the version is 4.4 or 5.0, especially before performing an update. Let's quickly go through the most important fixes and updates in this release. We've added support for Sul SSO IDP OCTA by adding a new parameter FM IDP entity format. The FM core private key parameter accepts the .pem format with encrypted private key. We've fixed issues with Secure Transport plugin in RPM so that it can connect to the bridge even when they are in different networks. These are the most important fixes that were addressed in this release. You can find a complete list of fixes and product enhancements in the release notes that can be found in the description below. Search by tags in various Flow Manager pages. The advanced search has been extended to also include performing searches by tags. Pages which did not have advanced search before, like applications, application groups, partners, custom attributes, and domains, have been improved to also have this functionality. Another new feature delivered this month is common properties for multiple application sources or application targets and subscriptions created from advanced patterns. With this new Flow Manager version, subscriptions from advanced patterns now allow you to set common properties for all CFTs and only optionally set some specific properties for a given subset of Transfer CFT products in case the sources or targets are CFT applications. In previous versions, in the Flow Manager user interface, by default all properties were specific. Previously, the user interface aided in copying the previous properties for newly added sources or targets, but you had no way to edit all properties for all sources from one screen. With Flow Manager version February 24, this is now possible, and I will show you in the next short demo how to do this. For this feature, I'm going to use an advanced pattern with multiple Transfer CFT applications sending to multiple partners via PESIT. I'm going to create a subscription. I'm going to add a PESIT identifier for the flow. In this step, you can add as many source applications as you want. In the next step, configure source products, you have the common parameters section where you can add common parameters for all the products in the sources list. And you also have a list with all the Transfer CFT products you added in the previous step. For the common parameters section, let's enable folder monitoring. We will add a folder identifier, a directory to scan, for track, and also we can go and add a pre-processing script. Now we will go to the Transfer CFT products list, and from this list we are going to select a Transfer CFT product for which we will customize the settings. For example, we will change the scan dir and we can also choose to change the script file. the next step, you can add as many target partners as you want. And in the final step, you have the option to review all the information you selected in the previous steps. When you're ready, click Save. And now you're ready to deploy. Since this subscription is deployed successfully, we can go ahead and check whatever got deployed on the Transfer CFTs. For example, we can first check the customized Transfer CFT product, which was CFT 310 Docker 2. And in the flows definition, folder monitoring section with the IDF demo 01, as well with the scan new dir that I entered, which was customized. And now we can go ahead and check the send templates for IDF demo 01. And for the processing section, we have the new script. Now we can go ahead and check one of the CFTs that were not customized. Let's check Transfer CFT Docker 1. In the flow definitions, send template demo 01, we have the processing demo common script.sh. Also, we can check the folder monitoring, which has the common details added. Set the subscription name as the flow name in templates. With this new feature, we've added a new Flow Manager parameter that can be used in templates so that you can set the subscription name to be as the flow name. Also, you can use this parameter to set the flow name to be the subscription name as well. Here are some examples on how you use this in your flows and subscriptions. For the first example, I'm going to show you how to set the subscription name to be the flow name. So while in the patterns list, select the pattern and click on Create Template. Go through all the template creation wizard and fill in the mandatory fields. And when you reach the last step, enter a name for your template. Here you have a new section called Subscription, which has this option for subscription name. And you can click on the Functions button and select from here flow name. With this expression, the subscription name will be calculated to have the same name as the flow name. Browse down a bit and see if you need to enable subscription approval or not. And also check the flow name expression, and for this case it has the default value, so that the flow name will have a calculated name using the subscription participant name. Save your template, publish your template, and now you're ready to subscribe. As you can see now in the subscription form, the name of this subscription has this expression, which is not editable. Fill in the mandatory fields. Deploy your subscription, and as you can see, the subscription name has the same name as the flow. For the second example, I'm going to use the previous template and only change the expressions used in calculating the flow name and the subscription name. So for the second example, I will change this expression so that the flow name in this situation will be the subscription name, so the first option. And also I will change the subscription name to be calculated using the date today. Save the template, publish the template, and now you're ready to subscribe. As you can see, in this case as well, the subscription name is not editable. You can fill in the details about the participants. And deploy the subscription. The subscription name is no longer the flow name. It used the expression I entered earlier. And the flow name has, in this situation, the same name as the subscription. Thanks for watching. Find more information and resources in the description below. If you are not familiar with Flow Manager, check the description below to access free introductory product training. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.